To register for a Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) account for the first time, start by visiting the Canada.ca website and searching for CRA Register. From there, you will find the necessary information to complete the registration process. Before beginning, ensure you have the required documents, including your social insurance number, date of birth, and amounts reported on your most recent tax return. For faster access, you will need a mobile device with a working camera and one of the following: a Canadian passport, a Canadian driver's license, or a provincial or territorial photo ID card. Once you have gathered your documents, choose a sign-in option to register with, such as a sign-in partner, CRA user ID and password, or provincial partner. After selecting your sign-in option, you will need to verify your identity by submitting a photo of yourself and your ID document or waiting for your CRA security code. You will then be required to enroll in multi-factor authentication and complete your identity check or verification. Upon completing these steps, your CRA account will be successfully registered. To sign into your account, visit the Canada.ca website, click on Sign In and select Sign In to your CRA account. Choose the sign-in option you selected during registration. Enter your login credentials, and you will be directed to your account.